Last weekend, my friends and I decided to go camping near a beautiful lake. We were all excited to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and reconnect with nature. The plan was to stay overnight at a cozy lake house, enjoy a campfire, barbecue some delicious food, and even take a ride in our trusty old Jeep. It was going to be an adventure to remember. As we arrived at the lake, the sun was starting to set, casting a golden glow over the water. The lake house was nestled among tall trees, offering a peaceful retreat. We unloaded our camping gear and settled in, eager to begin our outdoor escapade. After setting up our tents, we gathered around the campfire. The crackling flames warmed our faces as we shared stories and laughed together. I could hear the joyful chirping of birds and the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. The scent of barbecue filled the air, making our tummies rumble with anticipation. We fired up the grill and cooked juicy burgers and hot dogs, savoring every bite. The food tasted even better in the great outdoors. We chatted and laughed, enjoying the simple pleasure of good company and delicious food. The sky gradually turned darker and the stars started to shimmer above us. As night fell, we decided to take a break from the campfire and hop into the Jeep. With the wind in our hair and the moonlight guiding our way, we ventured through the winding forest paths. The Jeep's headlights illuminated the trees, creating a mystical atmosphere. We drove slowly, taking in the beauty of the night and the peacefulness of the surroundings. Eventually, we found a clearing with a breathtaking view of the starry sky. We parked the Jeep and stepped out, our eyes widening in awe. The sky was a canvas, painted with countless twinkling stars. It felt like we were floating in a sea of shimmering diamonds. We lay on the grass, our heads tilted back, and gazed at the celestial spectacle above. We spotted constellations and made up stories about the stars. The tranquility of the moment wrapped around us like a cozy blanket, bringing a sense of peace and wonder. Time seemed to stand still as we soaked in the beauty and serenity of the night sky. We whispered to each other, sharing our dreams and hopes and appreciating the vastness of the universe. It was a moment of connection with nature and with each other, a moment that would forever be etched in our memories. Eventually, the cold night air nudged us to return to the warmth of the campfire. We bid farewell to the starry sky, but the magic of that night stayed with us. We huddled around the fire once more, sipping hot chocolate and relishing the cozy ambience. As the night grew late, we retreated to our tents, tired but content. The sounds of nature lulled us to sleep, and we dreamed of the adventures and beauty that awaited us the next day. And so, our camping trip came to an end, but the memories we made that night would stay with us forever. The tranquility of the lake, the laughter around the campfire, the delicious barbecue, the exhilarating Jeep ride, and the mesmerizing starry sky. We experienced the wonders of nature and cherished the simple joys of life. It was a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary moments can be found in the simplest of things.